Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to turn off app analytics to prolong battery life in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to turn off app analytics, then simply click on settings and then scroll down and click on privacy and security, and in privacy and security scroll down and now click on analytics and improvements. Simply click on analytics and improvement, and on top you can see the option share iPhone analytics. Simply turn it off. The main benefit is to turn it off is a great way to save battery life and protect your privacy. So this is the way to turn off app analytics to prolong battery life in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.